There you go. I'm no environmental friendly guy or some kind of hippie or whatever. It's still plenty to see through the visor, so I'm just lazy. Last not least, there are, I think, another like 3 benefits. Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and this channel is everything about riding, fun, and petrol habit. And today it is also about my top tip: how to clean the helmet in super easy way, like KISS way. So keep it simple, stupid, without using any chemicals. I'm no environmental friendly guy or some kind of hippie or whatever. I'm just lazy. So all I will use, it's a water and paper towel. And basically you can use this technology or this way anywhere you at. And I did this video like 5 years ago, but I didn't have any subscribers, so I think it's a great time to share this top tip with you right now. Now, enough of this. Let's get started. Now, very quickly, let me tell you again, like, don't get me wrong, I still use chemicals, okay? I have helmet interior cleaner, it's just a must thing. I'm using it quite often. I have this matte surface clean. I use it twice a year, at the beginning and the end of the season, but it works really well. And I have this traveling kit for cleaning the visor when I'm hit by a huge bug or whatever. But why I like this water and paper towel, or water or tissue, or water and toilet paper, it's because I can really use it anywhere. So my basic situation when I'm cleaning the helmet, and look, I'm really like, I'm traveling like this, it's still plenty to see through the visor. So, but tomorrow I'm traveling, so I will be cleaning it. And the thing is, like, I'm finishing riding, I'm at the hotel room, or I'm at the apartment while on my trip, or I come home, you know, or I'm on a gas station and I would like to, for whatever reason, clean my helmet. And now the traveling kit, I keep forgetting it in my motorbike, so I don't have it at home, I don't have it at a hotel room with me. On a gas station, I'm just super lazy. So this is what I have found out. It's no rocket science, it's quite easy. Let me put the helmet like this. All you have to do is have the paper towel. So this is something that you will have in the kitchen. You will have a toilet paper in the bathroom of the hotel room. You will have those tissues. At least in Europe, we have them on the gas station. And you just put the water like this. I'm always traveling with water. I don't know how it is with you guys, but this is what is my habit. So I always have water. And all you have to do is put a paper towel and water and let it soak. And usually what I do, I remove the visor, of course. I clean the visors separately. I clean the helmet shell separately, because I have also the shades inside, basically. But for today's purpose of the video, I just do it like this. And the whole story basically is just let it soak, let the flies, you know, get wet. It takes like 3 minutes max, and then all you have to do is just wipe it off and use another paper towel to you know, dry your helmet and visor, and that's it. Guys, before I'll show you that it really works, in case you like this idea, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and have the notifications on, simply because I make cool videos. Oh, there you go. Last not least, there are, I think, another like 3 benefits. The first one is that because you let in the flies and all the dirt soak the water, and then you are wiping it off, there is a low chance that you will scratch your visor or even the helmet. And, you know, prolonging the life of your visor is quite a good thing, you know, like a little bit of cost saving there. 2, we have tiny twins at home, and it's actually a good thing that I do not have to use chemicals at home, so that's a great thing. And 3, actually I don't know. All I know is that my girlfriend is sometimes pissed when I'm cleaning my helmet at the kitchen sink, but there's no benefit to that. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, clean your visor the way you want, and always have fun!